So good evening, sir. My name is Varchar. This video I'm going to do a mission 6 master slave configuration. So let's start. Create cloud server. Server for tool. Config master slave database. Create table student. Insert. Okay. Config firewall on the master. Okay. Switch to terminal. And now let's install actual. Verb and this one also. Yes, so now it's well. So let's change the actual config. So for all hosts, all IP, and okay, we start it. So just put the database name in here, and for the slave we have to add relay log. Control 8Y, then we start it. Go back to master. So create user, slave user, create replication. Copy again. Yeah, create already and plus privilege, then show master status. So okay, let's copy the IP for master first. And bin to 1 position. Okay, so now for the slave setup. So we pass this one here and start slave, start duplicate, and yeah, show slave status. Yeah, slave input output running. Yes, slave SQL. Yes. So now let's go back to master, create database, and use it here. So for the instruction, we create the student table student. So we have to change the princess to student, and okay, copy this, and yeah, and so let we create table student here. Yes, and then let show table first. Okay, so now insert the data. Already, so let's check the slave. First we have to show database. So we have database varchar that use that database. Okay, so now we have to show table, and then let's see the data from table name student. So the data is here. So we finish this step, this also, this, and create table and insert data already. So let's configure firewall on the master. So go here, create firewall name master. So for the master database, just for the inbound rule, allow only ASX and MySQL, and outbound I have to remove this first, and then just allow MySQL only, then apply droplet master here. So yeah, this one we have here. So that's all in this video. Thank you, Professor.